Let's see how to solve this equation. So this is polynomial 4 equation, right? Because we have this degree 2, degree 2 here, then raised by 2 again. So that's degree 4. Usually solve polynomial equations, we want to make one side of the equation to be 0, then try to put it in a factored form, then use 0 property. So let's do that. So here we see we have a square, and then we have a cube, and we have constant 17. Maybe you can split 17 into 16 plus 1. Then we move this 16 to the left-hand side. That becomes minus, because 16 is the 4 squared. So it becomes negative 16 or negative 4 squared. And then this side left with x cubed plus 1. The sum of 2 cubes. Remember the formula of sum of 2 cubes, because 1 is 1 cube. So sum of x cubed plus 1 cube can be factored as x plus 1 times x squared minus x plus 1. Now let's look at this one. This one, we have the left-hand side, we have difference of 2 squares, right? We have this square minus 4 square. And then that give us, if we treat this as a, so that a squared minus b squared. Remember that's a plus b times a minus b. So x squared minus x minus 3 plus 4, that give us x squared minus x plus 1. So we can construct a common factor. So let's do that. So we have x squared minus x minus 3 plus 4, one factor, right? Think this as a, this as b. Then x squared minus x minus 3 minus 4. Again, this is a minus b, right? So that equals to this. Then simplify this one. First one, we'll get x squared minus x plus 1. Simplify the second one, we'll get x squared minus x minus 7. Then let's move this one to the left-hand side. It becomes negative minus x plus 1, or let's write the common factor x squared minus x plus 1 in front. X plus 1. Then this equals 0. So we have constructed a common factor of x squared minus x plus 1. So let's factor that out. Then the first term we left with, let me change my color. We have this one left, x squared minus x minus 7. Then minus the second one, we have this left, minus x, or this becomes minus x plus 1. This minus will change the sign of x, will change the sign of 1 also. That equals 0. So that means x squared minus x plus 1, this factor may be 0. Or the second factor, x squared minus x, that's minus 2x. Minus 7 minus 1, that's minus 8, and be 0. So polynomial degree 4 now becomes a polynomial, 2 equations of polynomial degree 2 or quadratic equation. So the first one, maybe we use quadratic formula. So we get x equals negative b. B is the number before x. Negative and negative 1 become positive 1. Plus minus square root of negative 1 squared, which is 1, minus 4 times 1 times 1 times 1. 2 ones, right? Because a is the number before x squared, which is 1. And the c is constant terms, 1. It's also 1. Then divided by 2. So simplify this, we'll get x equals to half plus minus. The radical is 1 minus 4, which is a negative 3. So we see that's a imaginary number, right? So we got 2 complex solutions from this equation. And this one we see we can factor, right? We can factor as x minus 4 times x plus 2. Because negative 8 equals to -4 multiplied by +2. And the middle term, -2, this one, the coefficient of x, -2, equals to -4 + 2. So that's why we can factor as x minus 4 times x plus 2. Use the zero property again. So we get a 4 as a solution. We get a -2 as another solution. So we have two real solutions and actually rational solutions, and then we have two imaginary solutions or complex solutions. So polynomial degree 4 equation, we get 4 solutions.